Welcome back to Seaport Solutions YouTube channel. What we wanted to do in this video was to introduce to you a working scenario where an organization, let's say they're headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia like we are, and they want to collaborate with a technical development organization that they've partnered with in Vietnam. Well, in order to bridge the distance between Atlanta and Vietnam, our recommendation is to be able to mobilize, converge, and simplify all the forms of communication and collaboration that exist or the particular client would like to use. So, in order to do that, in this scenario, we're actually leveraging our OmniPort platform. This is a fully mobile platform that actually converges audio conferencing, web conferencing, high-definition video conferencing, and interactive whiteboarding. Now, in the Vietnam portion of this scenario, they, let's say, would be using our product called DuoPort. This is our DuoPort application, and it does the exact same thing that OmniPort does, but in a little bit different size and form factor. What you'll notice here is we have two 25.5-inch touch-enabled systems. What we're doing is we're dedicating the right system to do high-definition video conferencing. In this scenario, we're using Life Sizes desktop software to work with Life Sizes codecs that are installed in our OmniPort. And on the left unit, we're actually using this for desktop sharing, application sharing, and interactive whiteboarding. In this scenario, we're actually going to be using Citrix Online's GoToMeeting software as a service. But it could as easily be Microsoft Live Meeting, Cisco WebEx, Adobe Connect Pro, but in this scenario again we're using GoToMeeting. Now, one of the things that our OmniPort application does is that it integrates into any existing in-room infrastructure. Say for example you've got a conference room that has a ceiling-mounted projector or maybe an existing flat panel display. And so what we can do is actually connect the codec. Instead of it going here on this display, it actually go to this particular display, which is just a consumer-grade 50-inch Vizio plasma. I'll just turn this on and you'll see that what's happening is that the Life Size Express codec, which is in our OmniPort, is actually driving through this particular display. So it will allow us to do video here and all of our desktop sharing, application sharing, and interactive whiteboarding from this scenario. Now, let's say Vietnam wants to initiate the call to Atlanta. Pretty simple for them to do. If they've made the call before, they can go back to their call history and double click on that phone number for the conference room. And that will actually dial out over the network and actually connect Atlanta to Vietnam. And we'll just hit answer. Now, you're going to hear some feedback, so what we'll do so that you'll hear that through the rest of this video is mute this. So now we're in Atlanta is in a video conference. We see the near side Atlanta and we see far side Vietnam, all in high def. As in any meeting, once the video has actually enabled all the introductions, everybody's gotten a chance to say hello, spend time with each other. When it's time to go to work, many times what organizations will do is they'll use flip charts or whiteboards to actually set the day's agenda. And so in this particular scenario, we'll be using mimio's interactive whiteboard software. And what we would have the opportunity to do is in Atlanta, grab, let's say we're going to use blue in Atlanta, and we'll begin our session. And this could actually be your finger or a stylus. And what you'll notice happened in Vietnam, while they're still seeing us and hearing us all in high definition and in real time, their whiteboard in Vietnam was showing the exact same information that we were writing. Now, this could be applications, it could be PowerPoints, it could be anything as well. What they also have the ability to do is to actually change colors. So let's say Vietnam is going to write in green, and they're going to start to make edits in the application. What you'll see in Atlanta, everything that Vietnam did, we now see. Now, let's say, for example, someone either in Vietnam or Atlanta is not comfortable in walking up to this display and using this type of a writing surface. Their comfort level lies in a traditional whiteboard. What's really great about our partnership with Mimio is that they have a fantastic device that is mobile and either with suction cups or 3M attachments can actually go straight to any existing whiteboard, connect up. It can either be AC or DC powered. We're running on battery here. Now, what you'll notice happened in the application, when we turned that on, Mimio's Interactive Whiteboard recognized that device, and now somebody can walk up to this whiteboard and grab a traditional Expo dry erase marker, whiteboard marker, and start documenting their ideas. Now, what you'll notice is we're converging static whiteboards with interactive whiteboards, bridging the distance between Atlanta and Vietnam, all on a mobile platform, converging interactive whiteboarding, high-definition video conferencing, and web conferencing tools. What we've seen in the marketplace is that when you take this type of a platform and make it as easy for an executive, a sales professional, a marketing professional, a research and design professional to roll this application in with no IT and no AV resources to help them, simply plug it into power, connect it to network, and launch applications, then what we can do is we can be a much more productive professional organization, whether that's corporations, governments, or higher education institutions. It's all about improving productivity with less resources and being able to provide a better work-life balance, and at the same time help our environment out by reducing carbon footprint, by eliminating the need for corporate travel. In this scenario, we're able to actually create an environment where Atlanta and Vietnam can have the exact same experience, and I can roll this from room to room, office to office, cube to cube. So the room does not have to be permanently affixed with technology and available for knowledge workers to do their work. I hope this helps you. We look forward to answering any other questions you may have. We look forward to you visiting on our website at seaportsolutions.com.